One day, Gary go into a Acer retail shop. Then Tony come out ask Gary how can he help Gary. Firstly, we will talking about material management. Acer used material management to planning, control the flow of material. Tony now will be explaining from what is raw material. The raw material of Acer PC example like RAM hard disk, processor, and so on. Next will be the purchase requisition. It is an internal document that can raised by any department in the Acer company for requesting the materials or services. Acer is one of the largest PC vendors in the world. It have a variety of suppliers located around the globe. Request for quotation is process of Acer request quotation, evaluate and vendor selection. Purchase order is a document that Acer used in materials management to request goods or services from a supplier. In material management, Acer uses a variety of inventory management techniques to effectively manage its inventory levels like JIT, first in, first out, and EOQ techniques. The material movement in Acer involved receiving, storing, transferring the raw material to Acer warehouse. Good receipt is process of Acer receiving and verifying incoming goods from vendors or suppliers. Invoice create reference with purchase order. The information included material info, unit prices, arithmetic, and others related information. Finally, after the goods are received and the invoice is verified, the Acer will start make payment is to the vendors or supplier. After Tony explained the material management in Acer, Gary's still curious about next process. Tony will be talking about next module production planning. In the production planning, there has some important process are involved. Beginning of the production planning, Acer need to create a production order. It have include bill of material, quantities of goods, schedule, and materials. Before the production really start, Acer will make a risk assessment to identifying potential risks and developing plans to mitigate them. The potential included equipment failure, human errors, quality issues, or changes in demand. Acer used forecasting predict future demand for its products and plan its capacity and inventory levels. And usually only the high position employee in Acer are involved. Capacity planning is also an important process for Acer to plan the production capabilities, including the availability of equipment, labor, and other resources. Master production schedule is a detailed plan that outlines the quantity and timing of production. And material requirements planning is a process and ensure that it has the materials it needs to produce its products. Here come to monitor and control Acer tracking of production processes, resource utilization, and quality control to ensure the production process. After that, scheduling is the detailed management of resources to ensure that production processes run smoothly and efficiently. Good receipt in production planning, which is the Acer produce the finished good and stock in the Acer warehouse for ready to sold or transfer. Here come to the last process. Order settlement is a process of reconciling actual costs incurred during production against the planned costs. That's all for the production planning, but Gary be more interested for the Acer business process. He want know more about it. Tony see that Gary liked to know more, so Tony decided to continue talk about the next one, which is sale and distribution work in Acer. Acer sales are through the process of getting their products to customers by various channels, such as online sales, retail stores, and authorized resellers. Pre-sale activities have not involved sale yet. Inquiry and quotation is two major activities that usually involved with it. Sales analytics is a very important tool for Acer to improving sales performance and optimizing business operations. Sales order is a document that records a customer's request to purchase a specific product or service, and next order fulfillment, picking and packing the product, shipping it to the customer, and generating an invoice. Available checking is when a customer places an order, it needs to determine if the requested product is in stock and can be shipped or it need to be produced. Shipping is transporting products from a warehouse to the Acer retail shop. And Acer can ship stock from various locations in the world, depending on the Acer retail shop location. Once the product has been shipped to the customer, Acer generates an invoice that lists the purchase information. Payment is customer makes the payment to Acer either through an online payment portal or via check, cash, and others method. After-sale services, Acer provided after-sale services to every customer who bought their products. The after-sale services are like technical support, warranty service, and repair and upgrade services. That's all for the whole ERP business process explained by Tony. Gary very happy that he get to know so much knowledge from Tony. They both very happy to having conversation together and like to see each other again.